Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Tether USDT from Crypto.com to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know that moving assets between exchanges can feel intimidating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups, especially with fees and network changes that might have updated by 2025. First things first, make sure you have what you need. You'll require a verified Crypto.com account with some USDT in it, and a Coinbase wallet set up and ready to receive funds. Also, confirm that your USDT is on the correct network, typically ERC20 for most wallets, but check Coinbase's requirements to match. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com app or website. Head over to your wallet section and find your USDT balance. Once you're there, select the Withdraw or Send option for USDT. This might be under a Transfer or Withdraw tab. It's usually pretty intuitive. Step 2. You'll need to enter the recipient's address. Open your Coinbase Wallet app, go to the Receive section for USDT, and copy the wallet address. Paste this carefully into the Crypto.com withdrawal form. Double-check that it's the exact address to prevent any loss. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Specify the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Make sure it's less than your available balance and account for any withdrawal fees, which could be around 1 to 5% depending on Crypto.com's 2025 policies. Select the network if prompted. Stick with ERC20 for compatibility. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll get a summary screen showing the details. If everything looks good, hit Confirm. This might require two-factor authentication for security. Once sent, keep an eye on your Coinbase wallet. It could take a few minutes to a few hours to appear, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always use the official apps and enable security features like email confirmations. In 2025, crypto regulations might have evolved, so stay updated on any new rules from Crypto.com or Coinbase. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Tether from Crypto.com to Coinbase Wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Safe trading, everyone. See you next time.